Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome, dear audience. The topic of discussion for today is definition of chemistry. In this video, we will define chemistry and its main keywords of definition that make the base of chemistry. Let's start. What is definition of chemistry? First of all, make it is clear that chemistry is the branch of science. And we have discussed this thing in our previous video. And in this branch, we study the matter. And now the question arises, what things of matter we discuss here? In this branch, we study composition, structure, properties, and changes that are occurring in the matter. In simple wording, it is the branch of science that deals with study of composition, structure, properties, and changes of matter. In this video, we will discuss these terms one by one. What is meant by composition, structure, properties, and changes. Let's discuss what is meant by composition. Composition means what something is made of. Means if we talk about water, we say that composition of water is hydrogen and oxygen. Mean water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. So composition of water is hydrogen and oxygen. Next keyword is structure. Structure means how something is arranged or built. Means how atoms arrange themselves to make something, how atoms lose or gain electron, and how they form the structure of something. If we talk about water, in water hydrogen is attached with oxygen. Two hydrogen are attached with the one oxygen in this way, and this is the structure of water. Means in structure we discuss how elements combine themselves to make something. And if we say that if we arrange the bricks, it make walls, and there is special arrangement to arrange the bricks to make a wall. So this is the structure of wall. Next thing is properties. Properties are the qualities or characteristics of something. If we talk about water, water has special properties, special qualities, its taste, its color, its volume, its coldness or hotness are the properties. And in chemistry, there are special two types of properties, physical properties and chemical properties. We will discuss these properties in our next video. So we can say that qualities or characteristics of a substance are called properties. And the last term is changes in matter. How changes occur? Changes are mostly occur by absorption or release of heat. If something absorb or release the heat, it change in its state. For example, solid change to liquid if we heat it, and the liquid can be freezed if we cool it. In the same way, liquid can be evaporated if we heat it. So, the changes are occurring in the matter. Changes mean how substance change in form, state or composition, and this mostly occur with the absorption or release of heat. And if we combine all these terms, this will make the definition of chemistry. If we combine all the key terms, then we will get definition of chemistry. We can say that chemistry is the branch of science that studies composition, structure, properties and changes of matter. So in chemistry, we will discuss all these things one by one. Chemistry is divided into different branches like organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, analytical chemistry, biochemistry, material chemistry. In next video, we will discuss all these branches one by one. Up till then, thank you and Allah Hafiz.